And because of his words, many more became believers. Nakita niyo na? Just one life where the love of God reached, and because she received the love of God, ang iyahang normal, ordinary days nga ginabuhat, mukaos og tubig, dalahon silang balay, uman magpagwapa na pod, kaya mabot ang mga parakyano niya. But he was totally changed because he met Jesus at her spot. And she received the love of God. The love of God reached her. And she went her way telling her life has become a testimony. Unsa iyang ginasulti niya? Siya na, he told me everything. He is the Messiah. He told me everything what I have ever did. She started to confess. And watch this. Ang babae sa una nga spotted, puno og stain, puno og sala o hugaw, walay bili ang iyang testimonyo. But here comes when she met Jesus at the spot, Jacob's well. She was totally transformed, and people started to believe in her testimony. And guess what? Doon lang kay nituo, niadto pud sila. Pag-adto nila, mas nakita na nagiday si Jesus, and Jesus started to talk to them. And guess what? Many of them believe. Now, these are the Samaritans. They are not the Jews. That's why when the scripture says, pag abot sa mga disciples niya, sa Lord, kaon na siya, nakuman ako kaon. Tingnan siya, kita na katag sa inyo, wala, sabi man ta. So, but I have food that you do not know of. Kasi his food is to do the will of the Father who sent him. It satisfies him. Jesus is the expression of the Father's love. He steps out of bounds because love knows no bound. God's love knows no bound. It reaches to the Samaritans, and many more become believers because of that woman. If you allow the love of God reaches your spot, I'm telling you, you will be amazed on how God is going to turn your life around. Your story will become a great testimony that brings many people back at the feet of Jesus. Kinsay excited sa gugma sa Ginoo?